Alright, let's kick things off with an overview of RITES Limited's performance, specifically looking at the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025 and the overall FY25 results. We have several key members of our leadership team joining us today. To begin, Palshia, our moderator, will be welcoming all participants to the call. Following the welcome, we'll have formal introductions of the key RITES leadership present today, including Rahul Mittal, Deepak Tripathi, and Krishna Gopal Agarwal. Just a quick note on meeting etiquette. All participants will be in listen-only mode for the initial presentation. We will be hosting a Q&A session. At the end of the presentation, please use 1 to indicate you have a question. One last housekeeping item. Please be aware that this conference call is being recorded for our records. To ensure fairness, we will be limiting participants to 1 question each initially. This will allow us to address as many queries as possible. Now let's move on to some important information regarding forward-looking statements and get a quick overview of our performance. As a standard practice, I want to remind everyone that this presentation contains forward-looking statements. These statements are subject to various risks and uncertainties, so please keep that in mind when interpreting them. We also want to emphasize that we are under no obligation to regularly update these forward-looking statements. They reflect our current understanding of the market. In terms of performance, our Q4 efforts were focused on solid execution and strategic order inflow. Throughout FY25, we previously mentioned how we would mitigate any revenue or profit dips. In Q4, we began to see the effects of these efforts. Overall, for FY25, we saw a revenue decrease of 8% and a profit after tax, or PAT, decrease of 14%. Let's highlight a key positive aspect: our impressive order inflow and substantial order book, which are crucial for our future growth prospects. We maintained a strong order strike rate, securing more than 1 order per day on average. This shows how effectively we are securing new projects. Equally important, we secured an export order every quarter. This marks a consistent increase for us in international markets. Just in Q4 alone, we secured over 150 orders, totaling Rs 1,400 crores, showcasing our strong market position and ability to attract new business. As a result of our sales and market efforts, we ended FY25 with an all-time high order book of Rs 8,900 crores. This signifies a substantial backlog of projects that will contribute to future revenue. This high order book is incredibly significant. It truly sets the stage for sustained growth in the coming years and showcases future revenue potential. Now, let's look ahead to FY26 and discuss our revenue and margin outlook, focusing on growth targets and key influencing factors. For FY26, we are aiming for record high revenue. With our strong order book, we feel we can successfully aim higher. Specifically, we are targeting approximately 20% growth in revenue. This clear target gives investors a clear expectation of the company's ambitions. We also expect commensurate growth in profitability, meaning our profit growth should align with our revenue growth and not lag behind. In terms of profitability, we are expecting EBITDA margins to be around 20%, so keep an eye on that metric. And lastly, we expect PAT margins in the range of 15 to 16%, providing another key indicator of our ability to convert revenue into net profit. Finally, let's dive into the key export orders that will contribute significantly to our future revenue, as well as their expected delivery timelines. Firstly, we have the Mozambique locomotive order, which involves the supply of 10 locomotives. Deliveries are expected to start by the end of Q1 or early Q2 of FY26. We also have the Bangladesh coach order, which involves the supply of 200 coaches. The prototypes and designs are currently underway, with deliveries expected in the latter part of FY26. To clarify our accounting practices, revenue from these export orders is recognized upon the bill of lading at the ports. Both our clients, Mozambique and Bangladesh have expressed their desire for early delivery, which underscores their confidence in RITES and the importance of these orders. These total export orders are valued at Rs 1360 crores, and we aim to realize maximum revenue for this fiscal year.